好，下先，好，下先。
得，你講你講。
可唔可以再前少少啊？
嗱，OK，阿仁，可唔可以講下即係而家頒咗個臨時禁制令啦？即係你哋自工會個方面有咩回應啊？覺得今次
就即係我對個判決係好失望啦。當然我都好尊重個法官。但係法官講話今次個臨時禁制令，佢係冇去考慮到所有嘅法律嘅理據。咁而係頒發，咁而佢亦都覺得係個臨時禁制令係有助於去維持嗰個碼頭本身嘅安全。咁我覺得而家其實個碼頭本身其實係冇任何嘅危險，亦都係我哋一路係和平嘅喺裏邊咧係即係罷工咧。其實就我哋覺得唔應該係和黃嗰方面咧係引入法庭，係利用法庭利用警力咧。係達到去清場嘅目的，而係想企圖咁樣咧，係去瓦解嘅罷工。但係作為工會，我哋當然係重申一樣嘢，就係罷工本身咧最大嘅最重要嘅重要性在於咧係用我哋唔做嘢去癱瘓去碼頭。我哋係唔係靠話喺裏邊抗議去達到我哋嗰個？即係表達我哋嗰個力量嘅，我哋係靠我哋自己打工嘅力量，就係我哋唔做嘢，係去令到佢嘅碼頭運作咧係停頓嘅。咁我哋而家繼續罷工咧，其實會繼續係影響佢碼頭運作。咁佢唔好諗住咧係搞個禁制令咧就可以令到工人罷工。只不過佢搞個禁制令，令到工人唔喺裏邊罷工，我哋都會繼續咧係去進行罷工嘅。
意思去邊一步啊？下一步會唔會去出去後嗰個？會唔會係？
唔係咁，我哋下一步行動，我哋都要翻去同啲工會開緊急會議去商量啦。咁而家我哋就即刻要將我哋而家嗰個臨時禁制令嘅結果話俾啲工會代表聽，咁我哋就翻去工會就會翻去開緊急會議，係決定跟住個方案係點樣做嘅嚇。
會考慮係點樣翻去？驚唔驚啲工人唔肯走啊？
咁即係我相信咧，就我哋工會會同工人嘅一齊去商量，到底係乜嘢係佢哋認為係一個最好嘅方案。咁我哋覺得即係我哋相信我哋大家。參與嘅罷工嘅工人咧，大家都係會共同進退嘅。
會唔會考慮係出翻去碼頭外面
啊？
會唔會考慮出翻去碼頭外面，即係喺欄外面？
我哋翻去傾下先啦嚇，我哋未決定跟住點樣做嘅嚇。
但啱啱清場嗰陣時，How do you feel about the ruling and will the strike continue?
We are very disappointed with the ruling, but of course we respect the judge. He had also mentioned that he is not considering the merit of the case, but we are disappointed they have not considered about the right to peaceful picketing and the right of training to further our trade dispute through our strike and peaceful picketing. And having the Hutchison having applied for this injunction is really using the court in the trade dispute, using the court and the police to try to evacuate workers. We are very disappointed that they are not using the means of negotiation, collective negotiation to solve the problem. And so we will go back to the terminal and decide what to do next. And but I want to emphasize the fact that actually the right to strike will continue. The strike will continue, and we have always emphasized the fact that we are trying to affect the operation of the terminal by our withdrawal of labor, not by any demonstration. So by mere fact of withdrawal of labor, our strike, we can continue to put pressure on the Hutchison and also all the subcontractors concerned.
預計幾時會決定到咧？有即係下一步點樣做？
唔係咁，我而家翻去係啦，我諗今晚我都要開會傾下啦。咁我希望係我哋今晚可以作出決定嘅嚇。
會擔心即係可能清場嘅時候，大家會再有衝突啊啲樣嘢。
咁即係我覺得我哋都係希望係用和平 同埋一個即係非暴力嘅方法咧，係繼續我哋嘅抗爭嘅嚇。咁我亦都重申一樣嘢，就係罷工本身係已經係影響個碼頭嘅運作。咁其實罷工本身係即係你就算出禁制令咧，都係瓦解唔到即係解決唔到問題。咁我覺得和黃係即係用禁制令係去企圖大石砸死蟹，去欺壓我哋罷工工人咧，佢係唔會得逞嘅，因為我哋罷工工人係靠嘅咧係我哋罷工唔做嘢，係而唔係靠我哋嘅喺裏邊嘅抗議行動。咁所以我哋嘅罷工繼續嘅話咧，其實都會繼續影響去碼頭運作嘅。
會唔會擔心咧？即係和黃講過話，即係聽朝10點唔開工嘅話，或者天河半商行話聽朝10點唔開工嘅話咧，就永不錄用啦。會唔會擔心即係繼續個工潮落去嘅話咧，即係工人嘅飯碗都會影響？
即係我諗佢咁樣講，即係一個白色恐怖啦，製造嚇。咁我哋同工人嗰方面商量過咧，就係覺得根本第一就24小時嘅工咧都冇人肯做㗎啦。咁佢哋咁捱得去做呢個24小時工另外咧就係另一班係機手咧，即係亦都冇乜人可以12小時又即係大小便喺上邊食飯喺上邊，咁辛苦嘅工都同我哋捱咁，同埋亦都佢係有牌嘅，或者有好清楚係技術嘅工人咧，係即係我哋好相信工會嗰方面好相信咧，係即係唔係可以咁容易係揾到工人替佢哋嘅位做嘢咁，同埋我真係重申，真係真係24小時工作，而家仲有咩人肯做？佢哋肯做，仲要咁刻薄佢哋即係呢個係一間咩個公司咧？當然我哋都明白和黃可能會覺得。點解係好似淨係和黃咁？我而家即係向和黃講聲啦，唔係淨係你哋刻薄其他所有成個碼頭所有公司都刻薄咁所有啲外判都刻薄。咁我希望佢即係收到個信息，就唔好覺得我哋淨係覺得和黃刻薄。咁希望即係所以我哋嘅目的呢，係成個碼頭都改善工人嘅工作條件嘅。好啊，唔該晒。